Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato taco poppers. No, not those kind, but the ones you actually eat. So let's get started. Alright you guys, first thing you're going to want to do is bring some water to a boil. Just throw a pot on the stove and add some water. Then we're going to cut up our potatoes. I have 2 potatoes here that are skinned, and I'm just going to go ahead and cube them up. The smaller you cut them, the faster they'll cook. Add our potatoes to the boiling water. While our potatoes are boiling, I'm gonna start on our sauce. Now, these tacos are good, but without the sauce, they're kind of just tortillas and potatoes, and it's not cute. It's cute, but it's not that tasty. So, this is what you're gonna start with. It is a chipotle sour cream. So you're gonna grab this. I don't want to offend anyone, but this is what you're going to want to grab, okay? You're not going to grab your Daisy sour cream. It's creme. This is what you're going to grab, okay? And we're going to pour that into a bowl. As you can see, the consistency, it's pretty thin, which is not like your regular sour cream that you see the Americans use. Alright, and here, if you're guessing what this is, I know it looks like a turd, but it's actually a chipotle pepper that I got just from in the can, just a packed chipotle pepper, and I'm just gonna run my knife through it. It's really soft, so you don't really have to do much. Kind of just pureeing without throwing it into a blender. Once it looks like a paste, go ahead and throw that into your sour cream mix here. And mix that all together. You're looking for like this a pink color by the time you're done. Give it a taste and that's good to go, you guys. 2 ingredients. Along with my chipotle sour cream, I'm also gonna make some guacamole. I got 2 avocados here, a little bit of garlic, and I'm gonna smash that with my fork here. Perfect. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. Salt, pepper, and onion powder and garlic powder. And then to finish it off, just a nice squeeze of lime juice. And there you have it, 2 quick and easy sauces, and by now your potatoes should be fork tender and ready to go. So now that our potatoes are done, I drained them and put them in a large bowl. Now I'm gonna start seasoning them. We're gonna add a tablespoon of butter and mash that in. Once the butter is incorporated, we're gonna add our taco seasoning. This taco seasoning consists of chili powder, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. I'm just gonna use about half for now, and then I'll add more if I need to. Okay, so I got the spices and the butter mixed up. I'm gonna add 1 egg. The reason for the egg is because you need a binding agent to bind all the potatoes together. Okay guys, so our filling is done. Now it's time to start building our tacos. So I have some corn tortillas here that I threw in the microwave for about a minute, and I wrapped them in a wet paper towel. That way it makes it easier for you to handle the tortillas. So you can grab the tortilla and probably about a tablespoon of filling here. And then you're just gonna fold over your potato taco like that. And then you're just gonna continue that until you run out of filling or tortillas. Now that our tacos are all assembled, we're gonna go ahead and fry them in a shallow pan. Only about 1/2 inch of oil. You don't need that much. And we're gonna fry these until they are nice and golden brown. And when they're done frying, we're gonna top them off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And there you guys have it, potato taco poppers from beginning to end. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys all next week. Enjoy!